हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर प्रविंदर सिंह। और आज हम डिस्कस करते हैं एक इम्पोर्टेंट आर्ट की कंडीशंस, दैट इज मेट्राइटिस। So the metritis in field condition, in case of metritis are there is presented with the history of foul smelling vaginal discharge. Metritis may be post mating and post calving and post mating के बाद भी हो सकती है, ठीक है, और पोस्ट कार्विंग के बाद भी हो सकती है। And in case of post mating metritis, it is observed in 3 to 5 days after mating by a bull. And in such case, the animal starts staining to 2 days after the mating, followed by the vaginal discharge. There is post calving metritis is associated with the abnormal calving, particularly in case of dystocia. There is retention of placenta. There is abortion, we can say, and one should be able to differentiate between the normal estrus discharge and pus discharge due to infection. ये जो एआई करते हैं, या फिर कई बार क्या होता है कि जो नॉर्मल नेचुरल मीटिंग करवाते हैं उसके बाद भी हो सकती है, और काविंग के बाद भी हो सकती है। तो यू हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट बट अबाउट द कंडीशंस एंड देयर सिम्टम्स। So first, the examination and procedure of handling of such case, and the rectal and vaginal examinations are indicated in such case. But many of times, if in field conditions there is vaginal examination is not possible, then a rectal examination should be done with the careful assessment of the tubular reproductive tract. One should be differentiate normal uterine wall and thickening of some infection. In some case, there is discharge is obvious after the scoping of the reproductive tract backward or applying the pressure on it. And the discharge in such case are pus-like, and in some of the cases there is no discharge, rather there is thinking of uterine wall. Next, for the अगर हम फिजिशियन ट्रीटमेंट की बात करें तो the treatment is aimed to be evaluate the uterus and control the infection. To evaluate the uterus, तो आप क्या करोगे कि जो यूट्रस को इवैक्यूलेट करोगे, तो यूट्रस को इवैक्यूलेट करने के लिए आप यू हैव टू गिव द प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन। एंड फॉर द प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन यू कैन यूज यूटिलाइज 5 ml इंट्रामस्कुलर, या फिर साइक्लिक्स के नाम से भी आता है, या फिर वेटमेट के नाम से भी आता है। एंड दीज आर नंबर ऑफ प्रिपरेशन फॉर दी बीटा अल्फा, एंड द इन्फेक्शन कैन बी कंट्रोल्ड आइदर बाय intrauterine therapy and parenteral antibiotics therapy, and intrauterine use of diluted ligule iodines or betadine iodine can be combined with the metronidazole, and it is good. And the liquid tea terramycins 100 ml can be infused with intrauterine for the 3 to 4 occasions to control the infections. So basically, you have diagnosed the type of hepatitis is there, whether the it is uh, post calving or post mating. In case of post mating, post calving, you have to you should be able to differentiate between the normal vaginal discharge and infectious vaginal discharge that is due to metritis. And in case of post calving metritis, it is observed after the 10 to maybe 10 days after the calving, and there is anorexia, and anorexia will be there. So